You know what's super popular right now? Half duplexes with no body corporate. Today we're here at 1/28 Valmadre Street in Caravonica in the leafy and elevated position. With its low maintenance property, it has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 garage. It has a new kitchen and bathroom. What's not to like? Let's go and take a closer look. With high ceilings and all the hard work done, this half duplex is going to be extremely popular. Hope to see you at the open home. I'm Nick from One Stop Property.